We recommend everyone to know Black Friday 2020 about bread machine Hoepaid, 25-in-1 programmable program setting stainless steel bread maker with Raisin dispenser. Black Friday 2020 is celebrated on November 27, but now Amazon Black Friday are started. On the day of the event, you will find products from all outstanding categories. Black Friday 2020 is an annual event just for well known that it is shopping time on. And this year Amazon have selected many products for the shoppers from small businesses and top brands. Beat the holiday hustle and shop for everyone on your list during Black Friday 2020. Happy everyone on Black Friday 2020. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. If you want to get highlight features and full review of bread machine Hoepaid, please visit the link in YouTube description below. Introduce overview, summary or highlight features. Developed with nutrition exclusive custom mode 25-in-1 menu settings for making a variety of breads, pizza dough, cakes, yogurt and jams. Delay baking timer up to 13 hours and automatic keep warm function up to 1 hour. It has 3 crust color to choose, light, medium, or dark, 3 optional weight of bread, 500 grams, 750 grams, or 900 grams. No need to wait during the bread making process. If you want to add fruit and nut to your dough, the bread machine is equipped with an automatic dispenser of fruits and nuts, which will be completed for you in the ideal time. If the appliance loses power unexpectedly, the corresponding error code will appear on the LCD reading display. The power will be restored within 10 minutes after the power failure, and the machine will resume operation. After turning the power back on, the timer will resume counting down. And if you do not understand, not sure or have questions, you can leave questions in the comments box. In addition, if you think our channel that's something useful for you, please press to subscribe us and press the bell. Look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.